Hello, and welcome to Magwork Screencasts. Since June 2020 and the end of Magento 1, support is not far off. We've recently added the migration functionality to our Magento 2 Advanced Product Options extension. Keep watching and learn how to painlessly transfer product options templates from your Magento 1 to Magento 2 store. Though I'll try to keep it simple, we'd still recommend getting acknowledged with the relevant section of the extension's user's guide before you proceed to the import-export functionality. This would be step 1. Step 2, in Magento 1, you'd need to both migrate the images used in the custom options templates and export the templates themselves. Let's start with the images. Go to the Media Custom Options folder on your server and copy all the components. Then, in Magento 2, paste the copied content to the pub/media/magworks/custom options folder. Good job! Now, let's step up to Custom Options Templates Migration. In the admin panel of your Magento 1 store, go to Catalog, Advanced Custom Options Templates. Here, select templates you'd like to migrate. Then, choose Export and click Submit. Voila! We've got a file containing data with your Magento 1 custom options templates. We'll need it a little later. Now, switch to your Magento 2 store and make the configurations on the global level. To tweak the functionality, go here. You are offered to choose to either ignore the missing images or not. Yes would mean you can import custom options templates without images. Choose this option if you do not use images for the product custom options in general. No would mean the images should have been migrated and must not be ignored. Now, go here and upload the file with Magento 1 product custom options we've recently created. Press the Import Magento 1 Option Templates button. Now, you'd need to link the system-specific data and either ignore the settings or choose from the following options. Let's upload the exported file for the second time and click here. Congratulations, that's basically it. We've successfully migrated Magento 1 options templates to our Magento 2 demo store. The imported templates can be found here. In case you've got some options images missing, go to var/log/system.log to check out the list with the missing image files in. I guess that's it. See other SQL videos to discover more must-have functionality and configure the extension with ease. Should you have any further difficulties or questions, feel free to contact our support team. They will be happy to assist.